Hi everyone, welcome to this first video tutorial regarding the Shared Contacts Admin. It is an open source web-based application that runs on Google App Engine, and it allows you to maintain your shared contacts in your Google Apps. So basically this part one video tutorial is going to show you the working demo on how to use the SCA to import, export, and delete contacts. So basically, we're going to look first on the existing contacts that we have. So basically, as you can see here, this is an admin account for a Google Apps for work, and it has existing contacts in here. So what we're going to do is to use the SCA tool to delete these contacts. Basically, the working demo of the Shared Contacts admin tool has sections like import, delete, and export. So what we're going to do is to try first this delete contact so that we can refresh the contacts directory. So if you press the delete contacts button, you're going to import the domain name and click delete contacts. So basically here the result shows that we have deleted 16 contacts. So let us refresh this directory. So as you can see here, the contacts have been deleted. Now we're going to test how to import the contacts using a CSV file going to your contacts directory using the Shared Contacts admin tool. So what we're going to do is to import the contacts. Now I want to show you an example of a CSV file that would contain the. So this is a sample CSV file that contains the contacts that you want to update into your Google Apps. So this is very useful if you have hundreds of contacts and you want to automatically put them to your Google Apps directory without doing it manually. So using the SCA tool, you're going to click import contacts, point it to the directory where you have the sample CSV format. Actually, there's a sample CSV that comes with SCA tool. So right here, we're going to select this file and then put there the domain and click import. So now the import has been successful. So to verify that, we're going to check back the contacts directory. As you can see, the contacts have been uploaded to the contacts directory, which is very useful if you are going to share hundreds of contacts to everyone, to all users in your domain. So right now the delete contacts and the import contacts are now working. What we're going to try to do next is to try to export the contacts from Google Apps going to a CSV file or an XML file. So what we're going to do is we're going to export the contacts into a CSV file. Just click export, put there the domain name, and then click export CSV, what will happen is it's going to create here a CSV file that's downloaded in your local directory. If you're going to open that in Excel, it's going to show us a format that's viewable in Excel. Or if you want to open it in your text file, it shows us a CSV formatted file containing the contacts that has been exported from your Google Apps. So there you go. We were able to demonstrate that the Shared Contacts Admin SCA tool has been able to successfully import, export, and delete contacts. So if you want to check out, this is the GitHub repository, and this is the demo that's how we were able to try out a while ago. So watch out for the other video tutorials regarding the other portions, like how to install it in App Engine, how to set up the authentication system, and so on. So thank you very much for watching this video.